Are you feeling low? Do you have trouble getting it up? Do you need to pick me up? Are you stuck somewhere your friend can't give you a nice hard tug? Then we have the tool for you. The next essential tool on our list comes with a great story. It has as many misconceptions as there are uses for it. I'm actually scared to do it this time. All right, high lift jack. Oh. The high lift jack has many uses, including lifting, hoisting, winching, and more. When I was new to off-roading, I heard stories about people getting hurt while using them, but by using common sense, they're safe. Hold on, someone's calling me. Oh, it's my lawyer. Hello? Yeah, you're right. Common sense is indeed a rare commodity. Okay, I'll make sure to include that. This episode's sponsored by Lauer Law. Heard on the job? Call Rob. 813-308-9514. All right, bye. High lift jacks are extremely useful tools for when you're off-road. However, they're not great for changing your tires or working on your vehicle if there's a better option available. Make sure to consult the manual that comes with the high lift jack and always be safe. We'll do a more in-depth video on how to safely use the high lift jack. To be continued. We got our first high lift jack right before a trip up to the Georgia Traverse, and this thing saved our skin. Check out this film. To the dirt. That's a lot of tint. Here's the window down.
We can't make it all the way to the top.
They said that?
Because there's a culvert that's like washed out.
Oh, well, we should keep going until we get there.
So we can keep going and try it.
Yeah, let's try it. Famous last words.
Oh, we can get around that.
We thought this was the washout that scared the other off-roaders. We were wrong.
We're just talking about that. There's no way that was there.
Yeah. This is probably what they're talking about. Yeah.
I'm looking outside. This is really important.
Still flying.
What?
Flying still.
Got space on that side?
Send it. Wheels left a little bit.
Just like that, we're high-centered in a very precarious, sketchy situation. So we got out to assess our situation and saw that we were hanging over this little culvert on the right-hand side, and to the left was a bit of a drop-off into a little brook.
Yeah, you gotta see that. We couldn't go in either direction.
So Branson stacked some branches in the front, I stacked some rocks in the back, and we busted out the high lift jack. Because the direction of the trail, we decided to attach a strap to a tree that was diagonal to the forerunner, and then use a chain to connect the high lift jack safely to the back of the truck. By applying a pulling force with the high lift, using it as a come-along, we were able to get ourselves free from being high-centered and able to continue on with our journey.
Just send it. You're pretty much good now.
Yeah, go straight. Oh my God, we're free.
A big shout out to Branson, who came along with us and helped show us around Trey Mountain and also helped get us unstuck. And a big shout out to my cameraman Chase.
Straight.
To the dirt. Wait, you didn't actually think we'd make it out of an episode without some innuendo, did you?
Come on, you promised.
As you can see, the Southern Style Off-Road bumper has a spot for the high-lift jack. And we want to know what you think. So we're going to conduct a user poll with our handy-dandy switcher. Do you prefer on jack, off jack? On jack, off jack? On jack, off jack?
Wow, that's a relief.
So leave a comment below if you prefer jack on or jack off.
Jeez.
Wait, my lawyer's calling me.
Haha.
Man, that switcher sure comes in handy.
Now what?
Now I'm going to post on Facebook and see how big of tires I can fit with no lift. To the dirt.